Bird Above My Head by me Shantapal. Let's start. Bird above my head, expressing skills of flight. Jet speed is nothing compared to that sharp move. Colorful wings steering unseen particles in the air. Eyes aiming at the vast, blank blue sky. The tree waiting for an awaited footfall. Jackfruit heavy with weight, hanging roughly from the roots. The thorns are so sharp they could even break the axe. Pond fishes dancing in their own joy. Fishermen poised for the ending. The bird descends for the hunt. Can it save the fishes from the fishermen? So, how is this writing? Share your thoughts in the comment, like this video, share it with your close ones, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, follow my Instagram. If you want to listen my podcast, then link is in my bio. Please check out. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.